Pretty intense.
Will is so much money, don't matter.
And he's out for this round. He could have got all this.
I don't think
But
so.
look at this cards.
Oh, my
This is messy. So far, Nick goes all in right now.
I'll call.
Okay.
Oh.
Edwin calls. I'll
Game's
call.
gonna end real
Oh wow!
What?
I call it
You
too.
serious?
Fucking serious, people.
I'm calling this one.
Alright, we can just flip them.
Nick, I
Flip.
hope you're not bluffing that.
Oh no.
Jacks.
Holy shit. You need a
Kings.
Dude, I have a higher flush than you do,
Oh,
so
shit.
it better be up there. Shit!
7.
You got it.
No, he got it.
You got it? What do you have? Oh, he has the kings.
It's got the kings.
Grad's gone.
Yeah, let's match it.
Take
Wait,
back the amount that.
I gotta match you.
No, actually, no. You don't have to take the amount.
Let me match you.
Basically-
I have to match you.
Yeah, basically just match that. Too easy.
what was it?
Waiting for straights.
I was waiting for a straight or a flush. But
could- yeah.
apparently,
A queen would have been a nice safe for you.
yeah, it would have been. Look at me, I'm matching it all. And that's me. I still have this much
Oh,
left.
he's still alive. I can't handle this.
I'm still alive, guys. I can still double up. Good game.
Just go all in next.
What do you have to say for this one, Edwin?
GG.
No re.
No, there's definitely a re.
Yes, there is, because I'm still in the game, so.
You're still in the game?
Yeah.
Are you all still in the game?
Is Nick still in the game? Was he? Yeah.
Still in here, man. I can't knock anybody out with my.
4 colors.
Yeah, me too. Barely.
Oh, you guys are crazy.
What did Edward have?
Yeah, 2 kings. And
Yeah,
he's waiting
two
for a
kings.
flush.
Yeah.
But when I saw his flush, I wasn't waiting for the flush anymore.
I was waiting for a flush and a straight, so.
He's just hoping for not a queen.
I was like, freaking ass, no.
I'm like, there's no way any of you guys have.
I think I had like a higher chance. Did I have a higher chance or no? I think he. Well,
No,
he
you
has
didn't.
a higher chance.
To catch a spade, you had a very low chance because we both.
Oh, yeah,
had
you
spades.
had.
Yeah.
Oh. And the
Good job,
queen.
queen, Evan.
Were the queen burnt or something? Were these queen? Wait, what do you have? Nothing.
Maybe someone
King.
will have one.
No, I didn't have any.
No queens.
No queens. I got unlucky. What can you say?
1 out of 13.
You had a straight, a straight. No flush draw.
Yeah, that was like one
Who's
of my
dealing though?
better
Not me,
games.
right?
Badness.